Today guys, hello, I'm back. Welcome to an actual YouTube video. Yes, so I'm here with Solomon. So yeah, it's the first video since, a proper video since me playing GTA 5 of October last year. August last year, sorry. And let's just say, that was a long time ago. So I'm making a new video now, yay! My previous video was just a short finding Squidward, but now we're going to be finding something cool. Dun dun dun! We're going to be finding the Mars Seagull. Yes, that is right. The Mars Seagull we are going to find. First it was the space pigeon, now the Mars Seagull. I can't wait to find the Mars Seagull. We need to look down here, Solomon, for the Mars Seagull. Coco, I'm the Mars Seagull. Hey, yo, what the hell? Wait, where did that come from? I think I got rabies now. We need to find the Mars Seagull. I have a weapon to kill it with. Once we find the Mars Seagull... Move. I'm getting wood to build us a shelter so we can beat the ender dragon. Oh.
Be careful.
Where is...
Your dad.
No. Let's go find the Mars Seagull. Let's go. Screw that stick.
Do you remember finding space pigeon with Daniel? I don't think you're gonna find the Mars Seagull.
Me and Daniel found the space pigeon before. Trust me, we'll be able to find the Mars Seagull. We gotta get this stuff and sprinkle it all over the floor.
Will we find your dad next?
Maybe. Maybe we will find a universe where you get some bitches. Haha, joking. Not you, the people on the camera thing, YouTubers. Hello, hi, hello.
This place has been overgrown.
I know. What should I call you lot? I just call you guys, but that's kind of sexist now. So, well, dudes, XD fam, boners. I should call them boners.
Everyone.
No, I should call them boners.
Oh, that's good.
Enter a YouTube video. What's up, boners? Yeah, that's perfect. That's my new intro now, guys. Yay. Well, sorry, that's my new intro now, boners. I haven't done one of these in so long, I want to kill myself. Oh yeah, now, last time I did this, I was PG. Now I'm more of
Maybe we could find Bigfoot's little brother.
Oh my god, next time we're going to find Small Hand. What we got to do now, is we've got to sprinkle this all over the fungus infected gang area.
The fungi fiddler was here.
Now, that is going to be our next video as well. We're going to find the fungi fiddler, and next we're going to find the, what was it you said?
Small hand.
Oh yeah, fungi fiddler and Small Hand.
And your dad.
Well, we already got the answer to finding the dad. You cannot.
Find the fat turkey.
She lives down by there.
Exactly.
So we already found her. We need to walk down by here and we need to summon the Mars Seagull. Next time we're going to do another bird, which is a space themed. Space pigeon, Mars Seagull, and drum roll please. Drum roll, definitely not trying to think of one. Drum roll. Drum roll, so I'll entertain them a bit. Entertain them a bit.
Moon puffin.
I know.
Earth penguin.
No. I have one even better.
find the monkey.
No, we can't find the monkeys. Because sometimes things like that may be kind of racist. Because people will be in the comments, why aren't you in Africa if you're trying to find a monkey? Which that means you are racist. You are racist, my friend. You are racist. I don't like racist. I only like my sister. Wait, what? I don't have a sister, joking. So we need to go down by here now. We should be able to find the Mars Seagull. At the end of the video, I'll explain to you what the next one is. I think someone's being raped.
I think that's the Mars Seagull.
Yep, that's definitely the Mars Seagull.
Let me find it.
Yay.
Yeah.
By the way, the next video is going to be the Mercury Pelican. Let's go. Can you come down by now? So usually it gets summoned over beer and it's very small.
Venus?
No, the Mars Seagull's very small. I don't know why, it's just he's very small. He's a small bird.
Why is this red?
I don't know. So what, we knocked a couple of trees down. Okay,
The colour red is
Solomon, come and stand here.
this is for the Mars plants.
Just come here and we will. So I see him there, kind of. We got to sprinkle this stuff on him.
We can't see him because he's like,
I can very barely see him.
he's like,
Okay, now we got to chant the magic words, which are. Hold on. Make this seagull bigger. You fucking. Okay, we have summoned him and he's flown off. Oh well.
we can see the smoke from the sky. He
Yes, he blasted off like my asshole does after Taco Bell. Anyway, yeah, that was the revival to the Finding the series. So, yes, my boners. Video end. Video end. Yay!